Imagine this. It's the first day of school. You walk into the classroom and heads turn. People are thinking, whoa, they've got it together. You're confident, prepared, and radiating positivity. Your posture, on point. Outfit, clean and sharp. Energy, unstoppable. Here's the twist. That student isn't born that way. They're made through intentional habits and simple changes that anyone can do starting today. And here's the best part. I'll share one underrated trick that 90% of students overlook, but it could completely change how people see you. Stick around to find out. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to transform into that student, the one who excels academically, socially, and personally. Let's dive in. Let's be real. Being a student can be overwhelming. There are classes, assignments, exams, and on top of that, trying to have a social life. Maybe you procrastinate, feel unmotivated, or just blend in when you want to stand out. Or maybe you think you have to be naturally smart or extroverted to succeed, but that's just not true. Here's the good news. Becoming that student is about systems, not superpowers. You just need the right blueprint. Here's your glow up blueprint. 5 key areas to focus on. Start with just one and watch the transformation begin. Why it matters? Your thoughts shape your reality. That student believes in themselves. Do this. Wake up and tell yourself, I am capable. I deserve to succeed. It sounds simple, but it rewires your brain for confidence. Visualize your ideal self. How do they act? Dress, study. Start embodying that today. Bonus tip. Write down your goals and read them every morning. Keep them visible, like on your phone lock screen or a sticky note on your mirror. Why it matters. Winging it leads to stress. Planning equals peace of mind. Do this. Grab a planner or use Google Calendar. Block out your classes, study sessions, breaks, and yes, even chill time. Quick tip. Use the 2-minute rule. If a task takes less than 2 minutes, do it now. Need to reply to an email? Organize papers? Don't wait. Bonus tip, batch similar tasks together. Studying, put your phone on airplane mode for a focused hour. Why it matters. Studying smarter beats studying longer. Do this, try the Pomodoro technique. 25 minutes focused work, 5-minute break. It's simple but life-changing. Use active recall instead of rereading notes. Quiz yourself, teach the material out loud, even if it feels silly. Bonus tip, create a dedicated study space, clean desk, good lighting, 0 distractions. You'll instantly feel more productive. Blow up your appearance. Why it matters. When you look good, you feel good, and people notice. Do this. Wear clothes that make you feel confident. No need for expensive brands. Fit and cleanliness matter most. Take care of the basics. Skin, hair, hydration. Small habits like drinking more water and moisturizing add up. Bonus tip. Plan your outfits the night before. It saves time and reduces morning stress. Build social confidence. Why it matters. People gravitate toward those who are genuine and kind. Do this. Smile. Ask people questions about themselves. Everyone loves a good listener. Join a club or speak up in class once this week. It feels scary, but builds confidence fast. Bonus tip. Compliment someone today. Genuine kindness stands out more than you think. Bonus tip, the one most students ignore. Stand up straight. Posture instantly boosts how confident and approachable you seem. Try it right now. Notice the difference? Why this blueprint works. This isn't about perfection, it's about progress. That student isn't someone who never struggles. They just don't quit. By focusing on your mindset, time management, study habits, appearance, and social skills, you become a version of yourself that's unstoppable. Made a choice. Start small. 10 minutes planning my day. 20 minutes of focused studying. A few years ago, I was not that student. I procrastinated, crammed for exams, and felt invisible. I dreaded school days. But one day, I made a choice. Start small. 10 minutes planning my day. 20 minutes of focused studying. Standing taller. Smiling more. Those tiny habits snowballed. I went from barely passing to acing exams. From blending in to people noticing my effort. And the best part, I felt proud of myself. You can feel that too. Challenge time. Pick one area from the Glow Up Blueprint and start today. Mindset, write 3 affirmations and say them every morning. Time management, block out tomorrow's schedule. Just 5 minutes can save hours later. Studying, test out the Pomodoro technique during your next session. Appearance, lay out tomorrow's outfit tonight. Social confidence, Compliment someone or ask a classmate how their day is. Do this for 7 days. Comment below and tell me which one you're starting with. I'm rooting for you. Becoming that student isn't about being perfect. It's about showing up for yourself. Even when it's hard, you have the potential to glow up, to walk into that classroom confident, to look back months from now and think, wow, I did that. Future you is counting on you, so start today. Let's make this your glow up year. Like this video, hit that subscribe button for more glow up and self-improvement tips.